What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a brand new video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Motorola G6 Play. Our device is on Boost Mobile, and it has that 18:9 ratio, I believe. So pretty excited about this one here. We can go over the specs in a few moments, but kind of wanted to just open the box already. That famous Boost Mobile wrapping, bro. Alright, that was actually pretty easy. Hold on, I have a little bit of a struggle getting this out. Hold on. Okay. Give me a second, y'all. Alright, guys, so we are back with the Motorola G6 Play here. So, of course, it's inside this box, but let's go ahead and talk about the specs really quickly. So, we got a 5.7-inch HD display. You have 16 gigs of RAM, 2 gigs of RAM, 1.4 gigahertz quad-core processor. And you can see that it has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery in the back. And that's going to be pretty interesting. I believe this device is running Android O as well. And it has a 13 megapixel camera in the back and a 5 megapixel camera in the front. So, enough of that. Let's get this thing open. Okay. So, boom. Oh. Okay. So, with the first impressions here, looking at the phone in hand, that back is nice and glossy. It looks really good. The screen is pretty massive here. It's a long phone, so yeah, pretty excited about this phone here actually. So this is the gel case that it comes with, and it also has a SIM tray tool, a USB, micro USB charging cable, and a AC adapter here, which I don't believe is turbocharged. So go ahead and put that back in there. Alright, so yeah, first impressions of the phone. That thing looks good. Alright, what you think, babe? Yeah. Nice little shine, right? Yeah. Look a little glossy.
It's not like a glossy black or
it's like a blue.
Yeah.
Pretty looking, right?
Yep.
Like, as far as aesthetics goes, they did a good job with this here. Like, I'm really digging this phone here. Just off looks. So let me go ahead and put some of our information in the phone there if I get a chance to do that. We'll see about that. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to end the video here. I did the unboxing here. I'll have my first impressions coming pretty soon after this video here, by the time you guys see this. And plus, I'm getting close to 1,000 subscribers. So anyone who watched my videos, I just want to say thank you for subscribing to the channel, because man, it's been a long journey, and I'm about to finally hit that milestone of 1,000. And it's just going to motivate me a little bit more, you know, because I'm already motivated. So, of course, if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And if you do subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the notification bell so that anytime you want to see a new video, it just comes straight to your phone. All you have to do is click it. Until then, I want to say thank you for watching the video once again. My name is Max Rock. You have a good day. Deuces.